Right, blessed morning, people. So this video comes in wake of the recent stir up in our culture with regards to Vybz Kartel making a post on his Instagram account with regards to black women embracing their natural beauty or using relaxers, hair extensions or whatever to enhance their looks or to alter their features, their natural African features. Well, I've come out this morning with regards to this whole saga because in listening to some of the debates online and some of the arguments, I will conclude that a lot of our people are really still dumbed down. A lot of our people are still not aware of many things that happen to us as black people throughout our history. Or rather, let me not say throughout history, throughout our story. In saying this, how many of you actually know about the Willie Lynch effect? How many of you have actually researched this? Not many. From what I've seen online, I would not say a lot of us have. Black women, you need to wake up. Stop all this garbage and all this stupidity and all this, I'm going to call it bull doodoo, that you're talking about how your hair is unmanageable. That is why you put ear relaxer in your hair. Yes, I used to relax my hair too. And you know why? Because hair relaxers were introduced to me as a child. So my mother put hair relaxer in my hair. And you know why she put it in my hair? Because her mother used to put pressing comb in her hair to change the natural formation of African hair. Why she wanted to change it? Because growing up, all we could hear, and this is not just a growing up thing, this was from plantation days. We were told that our hair, tough. Willie Lynch effect, we were separated on those plantations based upon hair texture, figure, skin tone. You need to go and research. I've written it on my channel and this is what I defend. Self-education. I'm not talking about no formal education that was taught to you in no formal school setting. Self-educate. We are now living in the information age. You need to go and do your research. You need to go out there and find the information and stop talking all this bull dude about here unmanageable. This is something that's coming from plantation days. The effect is live, it is rampant, and it is real. You need to wake up. Hair relaxers were designed and formulated for African hair. So, was bleaching cream.
If I use Nepozone gel, volume 40, this me use.
It not gonna work for she. It not gonna work for she because she's stubborn. It really work. It work for me.
Me also use bleaching cream, you know. I mean white and pretty, you know. And so from the cake soap.
Hold on. No. Tap it. Me have to rewind. Me have to pull up this. Where you just say a while ago, lady?
Bleaching cream, you know. I mean white and pretty, you know. And so from the cake soap come in, I'm stop use the bleaching cream and I use the cake soap to come and get black. I'm stop use the bleaching cream and I use the cake soap to come and get black.
I am telling you, nothing beats knowledge. Nothing beats self-education. When you self-educate, you'll be better abled and better armed to stand up and represent yourself. This is what I'm talking about. I'm telling you, black people. So, here you have it, people. As plain as day. A person of European origin has no need to use bleaching products. The answers are right there in front of you. A European person naturally has a lighter skin tone. They call it white skin. With that being said, the question is, who were these products created for? Answer that. Who were hair relaxers and bleaching products created for? And lastly, to touch on the topic of hair extensions. Well, if you feel that you need to extend your hair, that is your puru. That's for your business. Personally, I'm not going to be wearing anybody else's hair on top of my head. Did you know that a lot of the hairs that are on the market up for sale are people from different cultures who've actually cut their hair, some of them at full moon, to give up to their gods as sacrifices? What we need to understand is this, plain and simple. They have different temperaments, different spirituality. And why would you want to carry somebody else's DNA on top of your head? Why do you want, and why would you want to carry another person's energy throughout your daily lives with you? So for me personally, I don't want nobody here on top of my head. If you feel said that you want, well, it can be removed, I guess. It's a bit different from chemically straightening your hair. So if you go and you put hair on top of your head, you can always remove that. It's up to you if you want to wear synthetic hair or if you want to go and buy human hair. But I've given you my perspective with regards to putting another human's hair on top of my head. I don't want it. That's not for me. So sisters out there, I implore you to self-educate. I used to be in the hair extension game too, and in the hair relaxing game. But the more I ascend to higher knowledge of self and embracing myself as how I come, I have come to appreciate and I have come to love me more. And that's what we're dealing, people. That's what we're talking about. So they say education is key. And they also say that knowledge is power. Well, I can attest to that because the more you know is the more you'll be able to navigate and is the more you'll be able to stand up. So people, love and appreciate the skin you're in. Embrace you. Embrace yourself. Accept you for how you came. Love your hair and learn to look after your hair. And you can do it. Elevate yourselves, my people, by self-educating. Until next time, that's all I have to say. Now, you do the rest in the comment section by telling me how you feel about the epidemic of skin bleaching, hair relaxing, and hair extensions. Do you actually embrace your natural hair? Do you find it manageable? Do you love yourself? And that is the way you came, loving you as you are. I could not love me more. And I would love for you to do the same. That's it for now. Until next time, look after yourselves. Blessed love. I'm out. Real Empress Yuda.